Ever felt lost in the SEO wilderness? We've all been there. You type a keyword into your research tool. Bam! Competition levels through the roof. Your heart sinks. You're back to square one. Everything is about to change. Artificial intelligence has entered the scene, driving that transformation. It's revolutionizing keyword research as we know it. Imagine having a digital detective at your fingertips. It doesn't just find keywords. It uncovers hidden treasures, those low-competition, high-intent gems your competitors haven't discovered yet. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of AI available right now. Today I'm revealing the top 9 free AI-powered keyword research tools. These will transform your content strategy. They'll send your rankings soaring. No more digital dead ends. Traditional keyword research is painfully time-consuming. You spend hours digging through data. You end up with a list everyone else is already targeting. But AI changes everything. These intelligent tools cut through the digital noise. They pinpoint exactly what your audience is searching for. The advantages are game-changing. AI predicts search intent with uncanny accuracy. It understands not just what people type, but what they're actually looking for. It's like having mind-reading powers for your audience's search habits. These tools discover hidden keyword opportunities. They find untapped phrases conventional tools miss. These could become your content goldmines. AI excels at identifying long-tail keywords. These specific phrases have less competition but higher conversion rates. They capture users who know exactly what they want. Perhaps most importantly, AI saves you countless hours. It accomplishes in minutes what would take humans entire days. The cherry on top, many of these powerful tools won't cost you a penny. No credit card required, no surprise subscriptions. Just enter your seed keyword and watch the magic happen. How did we select these tools? Our criteria was straightforward but non-negotiable. Each tool had to offer genuine free access. No frustrating paywalls popping up when you're just getting started. They needed true AI-powered research capabilities. These deliver smarter, faster keyword insights. The interfaces had to be user-friendly, because let's be honest, if a tool requires an instruction manual to get started, it will collect digital dust instead of valuable keywords. Let's kick things off with the unexpected heavyweight champion, ChatGPT. This conversational AI isn't just for writing essays. It's a secret weapon for SEO professionals. The beauty lies in its simplicity. Type, "Give me 25 long-tail keywords for your niche," and within seconds, you're looking at a goldmine of targeted opportunities. ChatGPT versatility doesn't stop there. It's your all-in-one SEO assistant. It can analyze keyword potential. It drafts SEO-optimized blog posts. It crafts attention-grabbing ad copy. It even spies on your competitors' strategies. The basic version with GPT 3.5 is completely free. Upgrading to GPT-4 unlocks even more powerful capabilities. It's like having an SEO expert on call 24 hours. No hefty consulting fees required. But ChatGPT is just the beginning. There's a whole world of AI powerhouses waiting to transform your content strategy. Let's explore what else is out there. Imagine having a personal assistant who finds high-performing keywords and creates SEO-optimized content. That's exactly what Junia AI delivers. This tool is truly revolutionary. It provides precise search volume data. No more guesswork. When Junia AI says a keyword gets 5,000 monthly searches, you can take that to the bank. You'll get detailed competition levels and CPC insights. This gives you a crystal clear picture of the competitive landscape. Most impressively, Junia AI offers predictive analysis. It helps you identify emerging trends before they explode. This lets you claim valuable SERP real estate while competitors are still catching up. As a bonus, it gives you visibility into competitors' ranking keywords. You're never left in the dark about what's working in your niche. And the speed, it's lightning fast. AI handles the heavy lifting in minutes. This frees you to focus on creating exceptional content that converts. For bloggers, RightBlogger deserves your immediate attention. This innovative tool was developed by content marketing veterans. They understand the unique challenges bloggers face. RightBlogger packs several AI-powered features specifically for content creators. Its keyword research function cuts through complexity. It identifies golden keywords that drive traffic. The People Also Ask feature generates content ideas directly from Google's suggestion box. It's like having a direct line to what your audience is questioning. With Smart Suggest, you'll receive AI-generated post ideas instantly. Writer's block becomes a thing of the past. The SEO keyword clustering feature is particularly brilliant. It allows you to rank for multiple related keywords with a single piece of content. This maximizes your SEO efficiency. RightBlogger was built for content creators who want explosive growth. No complicated SEO strategies required. It won't break the bank either. Perfect for bloggers at any stage of their journey. Need keyword research that digs deeper? TwinWords got you covered. Sophisticated AI tool doesn't just list keywords. It comprehends the semantic meaning behind search queries. This gives you insights other tools simply can't match. Its advanced filtering options let you pinpoint exactly the keywords that align with your strategy. The keyword efficiency tool identifies terms offering the highest impact with lowest competition. It finds the path of least resistance to higher rankings. With AI-powered title suggestions, you can craft magnetic headlines in seconds. These don't just contain target keywords, they actually compel clicks. But wait, there's more. SEO.ai offers a game-changing opportunity. Lifetime access to powerful AI-driven SEO tools. Absolutely free. No hidden costs. Just powerful optimization at your fingertips. Their smart keyword discovery feature simplifies the entire research process. Enter a brief description of your content focus. Instantly receive a tailored list of high-ranking keywords for your specific niche. Internal linking is often overlooked but crucial for SEO success. SEO.ai internal linking tool provides immediate suggestions for creating these valuable connections. No more tedious manual searching. One common SEO pitfall is keyword cannibalization. Your own pages compete against each other. SEO.ai quickly identifies these issues with its similarity matrix and keyword clusters. This helps you optimize like a seasoned professional. The free keyword generator is perhaps the most immediately useful feature. It provides hundreds of targeted keywords in seconds. Are you competing with Google in terms of search volume and keyword difficulty metrics? If topical authority is your goal, Keyword Insights AI stands out. It's the first AI tool specifically designed to establish you as an industry leader. Its capabilities are impressive. The live SERP overview feature eliminates the need for VPNs. It delivers real-time Google search results from any country in seconds. It also shows trending keywords to inform your strategy on the spot. To truly understand your audience's needs, Keyword Insights AI aggregates actual questions. These come from Google, Quora, and other platforms. This ensures your content provides precisely the answers they're seeking. Take your strategy to new heights with AI keyword clustering. It can process up to 2.5 million keywords and organize them into logical groups. This makes content planning remarkably straightforward. The competitive intelligence features give you in-depth analysis of search results. They reveal ranking factors and provide a blueprint for outperforming your competition. For serious SEO professionals, Keyword Insights AI isn't just another tool. It's an essential competitive advantage. Let me share my personal secret weapon rights on it. This comprehensive AI platform delivers multiple powerful functions in one integrated solution. Its keyword research feature identifies high-ranking keywords effortlessly using real-time data. No more guesswork in your content strategy. The AI-powered SEO functionality simplifies your entire approach. It provides AI-driven insights that boost both rankings and traffic without extra effort. With visual keyword trends, you'll stay ahead of the curve. Access real-time Google data and track keyword popularity evolution over time. The SERP overview provides detailed insights into what's working for top-ranking competitors. This allows you to optimize your own content strategy accordingly. Beyond SEO, RightBlogger offers AI-generated voiceovers, images, and content summaries. It's truly a one-stop platform for content marketing success. Finding perfect keywords is only half the battle. You need to turn those insights into compelling content that actually ranks. What if you could handle both keyword research and content creation in one workflow? The next two tools make this dream a reality. SEO Writing AI resolves the common challenge of juggling multiple tasks. Enter your target keywords, and it generates a fully optimized article, complete with appropriate headings and meta descriptions. Need to scale your content production? No problem. SEO Writing AI can create multiple articles rapidly. Its Humanizer tool transforms AI-generated content into natural, engaging writing that resonates with readers. You maintain complete control. Adjust tone, structure, and formatting elements like tables and lists. This ensures your content is both SEO-friendly and genuinely valuable. Supporting 48 languages and offering direct WordPress publishing integration, SEO Writing AI streamlines your entire content production process. Finally, for content that truly captures your unique voice, RightBlogger AI stands in a class of its own. Whether your style is professional, casual, or persuasive, RightBlogger adapts. It creates content that sounds authentically like you. From comprehensive blog posts to engaging emails and social media captions, RightBlogger handles it all with remarkable linguistic dexterity. What sets RightBlogger apart is its ability to learn from your existing content. Upload examples of your writing, and it will match your distinctive style. The convenient Chrome extension allows you to create and refine content anywhere online. Craft emails, social posts, or SEO meta descriptions with exceptional speed and ease. With over 8 million satisfied users and near-perfect ratings, RightBlogger has proven itself. It's the ultimate content assistant for writers, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Perfect for maintaining a consistent voice across all digital assets. Are you ready to transform your keyword research into publish-ready content in minutes? These powerful AI tools are waiting to revolutionize your content creation process. Follow the link below to start creating like a professional. Watch your SEO results soar to new heights.